Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, wondering how to subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for all your good comments. Today, I'll be doing something different in the Power XL. Today, I'll be sauteing some hot link and potatoes. My ingredients today, I'll be using some butter. I'll be using some Louisiana hot links. As you see, I slice them up nice and good. And potatoes, I cut up nice and good. I'll be sauteing these. I'll be using a little barbecue sauce, some orange bell peppers, some white onions, and I'll be using a half a teaspoon of Louisiana Cajun season, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of Montreal season. Them the only ingredients I'll be doing today to make it nice and tasty. So what I'm going to do for all my first time subscribers and wonder, do this top come off? Yes, it does. That's all you have to do is wiggle. 1, 2. I won't be using this top today, so I'll be taking it off. So today I'll be straining this and I'll be right back. Okay, I strained my potatoes and everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set this Power XL saute. And I'm going to set it for 375. Temperature for 375. And then I'm going to go to minutes. I'm going to set this for about 55 minutes. And I'm going to press start. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put my butter in and let it just melt. And for all my first time viewers, you add a little time. If you add too much time and burn it, you can't take time away, but you always could add time. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to let this butter melt and everything. And when it starts melting, I start putting the potatoes in. Be right back. So what I did, I put the camera a little closer so you can see. I'm going to put these potatoes in just like this. I'm going to just let them mix them up, let them cook for a minute. As you see, they nice sides and everything. Okay, as you see, they cooking nice and good. So what I'm going to do, a lot of them wondering what this top is for. This top came with it. I'm going to set this top on just like this. Let it cook a little while and just for a few minutes. So we're going to take a peek at it and see how it's looking. Take the top off. It's looking nice and good. And everything, as you see, it's cooking good. So I'm going to put the top on for a few more minutes. So I'm going to take this top off and take the potatoes out. Take these out, put them in the bowl. Set them to the side. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put my hot links in. I'm going to stir that up nice and good. Just like that. Let that cook for a minute. As you see, it's coming out nice and good. Also smelling good in this kitchen. So I'm just going to do it just like this. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put my onions in, my bell peppers, let that cook for a little while. Mix it up. So I'm going to sit the top on for a few minutes. Just like that. So we're going to take a peek at it and see how it's coming out. Everything looking so nice and good. It's looking real nice. So while this is cooking a little more, what I'm going to do, put the top on it for a few minutes, and I'm going to wash the dishes. For all my first time viewers, as this is cooking, wash the dishes as it cooking. Don't save it for the spouse. Don't save it for the kids. Don't save it for the roommate. Don't leave it for your friend. They might be hungry, might not eat it because they're afraid who's going to do the dishes. Enjoy the food. Everything's clean. Okay, we're going to take this top off, stir it up one more time. Looking nice and good as you see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put these potatoes back in. So let's stir it up just like that. So everything looking good. Oh yeah, it's going to be delicious. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my seasoning in. Stir that up. Put the top on for a few minutes. Okay, I'm going to take the top off, set it to the side. And I'm just going to put a little of this Sweet Bay Ryan's honey barbecue sauce on it. You don't need it and everything. As you see, it look real nice and good, but I'm going to just put a little on it because this right here is some nice good sauce. kind of bring another little flavor to it and everything. Make it nice, good, and delicious. Mix that up, just like that. And this right here is done. It's an easy dish. The kids will love it. Everybody would enjoy it. I'm gonna set the top on for a minute. Yeah, that smells so good in here. Just don't know no more. Thank you, Lord. Let me be a little creative. This is done, so I'm going to take it out and put it in the bowl. Just like that. Okay, this is your hot link potatoes mixed with sauce. This looks very delicious. I'm going to try a little bit and see how it tastes. Hope I don't burn my mouth. Put a little bit of everything in there. Yeah. Taste some of everything. You know these vegetables hold heat. So, but I'm going to taste it anyway. Have a little potato, a little orange bell pepper, hot link. Mm. Mm. That is very, very delicious. You should try it. Only take a few minutes. The hot links, if you don't want to use the hot links, you could use another sausage or something. But this right here is delicious. You should try it. Thank you for watching. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding, and you will subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Leave a comment in the box. Thank you for all my subscribers. Enjoy.